Namaste guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Sandeep Sharma, Yoga with Sandeep. Today we will practice split flow yoga and the day of 16, the 30 days of yoga. So let's start now. Before we practice, we have to warm up some basic. You can choose any exercise, but I always choose the Surya Namaskar. Okay, let's start now. The 3 rounds of sun series. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now start. Okay, first the stand of front of your mat. Raise the hands up, stretch the full body. Exhale the forward down. Okay, left leg back. Hold this posture as you can. And try to your head down. Fully stretch your right leg. Okay, drop the left knee down. Straight the right legs. Head down. You can practice 4 times this exercise. Look here. Okay, the hands here. The press the left hips down. 2, 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 1. Hold it. 4, 3, 2, feel your muscle, and 1, 4. Okay, right leg back, change side, the left leg forward, the same way, the 4 time. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, hold, 4, 3, 2, 1, straight legs, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and stop, and back. Okay, stretch the lower back, 4, keep the heels down the floor, straight your legs, 3, 2, and 1. Right leg up, stretch as you can, look your both hands, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold some second, 3, 2, and 1. Right leg 4, here. Okay, hands here, 4 times. Forward down, up, forward down, up. Okay, look here, inhale, exhale. Inhale, 2, exhale, 3, inhale, exhale, 4, inhale, hold it, 3, 2, 1, exhale. Keep the left thigh muscle down the floor, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next, the left leg bend, king pickup. Down. Right leg back. Okay, change the left leg. Up your left leg as you can, look your both hands, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left leg bend, look the right side, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Look forward, inhale, exhale. Drop the right thigh muscle down the floor. Okay, the 4 time more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more. 7, 8. Okay, right thigh muscle down. Look up, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Forward. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, pick up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Down. Okay, down facing down. Press shoulder. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to the plank. 4, 3, 2, 1. Right leg forward. Okay, your both hands and your right feet in the equal line, and then press your hips as you can. Hold some second. 3, 2, and 1. Stretch the legs, both legs straight and both elbows down. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Straight your hands, Inhale, exhale. Left leg forward, the left side. Bend knees and press your hips as you can. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Straight your both legs and both elbows down. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hands your straight and left leg back. Press shoulder, head down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Open your knees as you can and forward. Press the hips as you can. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Up. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Next, the side split. Okay. The right legs, when your right heels and the left knee is equal line, and keep the back straight, the left hand on the left handle and right hand on the right knee, and press the hips to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. 9. Hold it. Back straight, press knee back. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Center and straight legs. This is for beginner. As you can open your legs. Okay. If you feel pain and your hands will forward down, then you can open your legs as you can. Here. Back. Change side. Left leg bend. The left heels, the right knees is equal. Again, right hand, the right love handle, left hand on the left knee, then press the hips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Come back. Then straight legs as you can. Forward your hands down if you cannot. Here. Back. Feel the pain and come forward. Okay. Next, it's very easy. Anyone can do. It's a butterfly. Okay. More. Up your hips, hands your forward. Okay. Next, lay down on your mat. Okay. Okay, hands here. Take the right feet up and the right hand catch toes and your shoulder try to down. 4, 3, keep the legs straight. 2 and 1. Move. bend knees, catch your full feet, hold it. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Down. Again, change the sides, left feet up. Okay, straight the left leg and try to left shoulder down. Keep the left leg straight. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend knees, catch your feet. 4, 3, feel the left thigh muscle. 3, 2, 1. Okay, take the both legs up and straight legs, and keep the both legs straightened together. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, catch heels and try to down your feet, up and open your feet, knee, press down. If you have a lower back problem, so avoid this exercise. Down. Okay, now relax. The left leg put on the right thigh muscle and right leg up. Interlock your hand and right leg bend and press the toes, and your left thigh muscle, your left knee and feet touch with your chest and your stomachs. Okay, change. Hold some second, take some breath. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Okay, down. Your feet little forward, bend knees and shake the legs. Okay, turn the left sides and wake up. This is the slipped yoga, flow yoga, slipped flow yoga. So for beginner, they can practice and they can open the legs. Thank you so much. Dhanyavad.